Hello all. So in this video we will see how to join HackTheBox. So this is the URL and let's start it. So we just click on join now, and afterwards it will ask for invite the challenge. So basically HackTheBox it uses for hacking the machines, different kind of machines. So it can be for beginner level or advanced level as well. So how do we get this invite code? Let's start it. So just right click, and once you right click insert the element and then check for different things here. So we have 3 JavaScripts, and just click or check one by one. So what do we have? It's a very big code. Just search for invite if they have. No, nothing is there. And the next invite. So here this JavaScript looks obfuscated. Okay. Make invite code. Okay, the make invite code post data request API invite how to generate. Okay, so yeah, here is the one is interesting, and then we'll check the next one. Okay, this is just a console. Okay, let's see what do we have in console. Okay, this one. So let's type make invite code and hit enter and see what do we have in object. So we have .13. Okay, so just copy this and just search in Google .13 decoder. Okay, in order to generate invite code, make a post request API invite generate. Okay, so this is API invite generate. Okay, copy this one and afterwards just check for the URL. So this will be our URL. Okay, just so you can do it from the terminal as well. You can do it from, if you're using Windows, then you can do it from command prompt as well. So just open the terminal and post the request from curl, then caps lock on X post and hit URL and then enter. So here the success, and we have format included. Okay, so just copy this one and on base 64 decoder. You can also do it from Burpsuit as well if you're using Burpsuit, and you can send this post request from that as well and click on decode. So here we go, we have invite, bang, and then what you can do, you can just go to invite code, paste it here, sign up. That's all. Congratulations. That's all. Thank you. Enjoy.